Oh boy, I need a hat. This ain't gonna cut it. What is going on, Dank fam? It is your boy Mike Diesel. I'm super happy. We got the whole squad out here today. We got Cali Girl Stunts building a seat from scratch out here. We were actually gonna do a tutorial, but she's too damn fast. It's already done. So basically all she did was she pulled all the old staples out and she took the old fabric off. Actually no, you just kept it on there, huh? More reinforcement. Okay, and then just stapling. More staples the merrier, depending on how much you like hanging.
Start with the top, go to the bottom, and then sides.
Yeah, easy peasy. And then after you're done, that hole right there for the foot, you just cut it from the top, and then you staple the inside how it already looks. Boom, boom, easy peasy. Slap it back on the bike, get the wheelies. So guys, by the way, speaking of stunt bike, I'm actually giving a stunt bike away. We're in the process of building it on Patreon. You don't have to buy anything to enter, but you do have to buy a subscription. $1 to $50 a month to support the build, and you also get a chance to win, so check that out. But I actually didn't plan on making a video today, and I thought of a really good idea. A lot of people I've seen online do the duct tape wheels on like trikes and stuff like that, but I haven't seen anybody do duct tape wheels on a stunt bike. So my man Savage Stunts here is crazy enough to have thought of the idea, since I thought wheelies is probably next level. You need a lot of traction to do wheelies, so first thought was to do wheelies with a duct tape, and that wouldn't really work out too well. So Savage,
yeah, you man trying to kill me with the wheelies.
yeah. So Savage decided he's okay with trying some drifts with the duct tape tire.
My chain while we got it on the stand too.
Right. So we're about to wrap his wheel on his bike full of duct tape and see how well he can drift on it. Give this video a like. We need 12,000 likes on this video, and we're gonna do another crazy stunt with duct tape. Skirt! Yeah, so we're just gonna put it in neutral. Let's start, yeah, let's do a start in the middle, and then we'll do it all the way to the outside one way, and then we'll do another middle start and to the inside.
What the hell are you doing, dude?
Oh man, we got a wrinkle. Hold up. That's not acceptable. Can't have you riding out dangerously like that. Nice. Alright, so we got a nice rhythm going here. Honestly, thought we'd be using more.
We're like 1% done, guys.
I mean,
Gotta get them edges. I know you're gonna be trying to find any kind of rubber you can.
half the tire. Hey, that's what you need to do for someone that has a weak side.
You got weak side on the right, we're gonna duct tape it.
You know they got the wheelie bars.
This is the wheelie bar for drifting.
What do you guys want to do?
We're just having some fun. Science rules.
Yeah, let me get
She really is. But yeah, I guess we could do it the other way.
Turn it on this time.
Yeah, turn it on.
See how it works.
Pedal it down?
You got it. No, you gotta feather the clutch on this one, my
Hey,
guy.
hey, why don't you take the video and let me do that?
Yo! What? Easy peasy,
I think
baby.
we didn't do that off the cut, because we would have totaled the whole operation.
Oh my gosh.
Like so fast and
Yeah, I know. You just had, like, you can't really finesse it too well. You didn't even feather the clutch, did you?
I was like, oh no, he
Clutch
didn't.
work
He
is
just dropped the
trash,
clutch, bro.
My clutch work is trash.
We ran out of tape, guys. This was a full roll, but I think this is more than fair.
If it goes well, next time we'll have to get like 4 rolls.
There's really nothing you can do to prepare for this. You're just gonna have to send it.
Yeah, it's just gonna be a full send.
Getting a feel for it. Oh, he's going straight to wheelies? Hell no! Reality just kicked in. Yeah, I think wheelies are off the table. We need more layers. Gone. All gone. Wow. Yeah, it's gone.
Oh yeah, it's gone.
It was gone
Yeah.
like first. I thought it was 2 minutes. First 3 bang outs. Bah, 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 bah. It just.
All right, so this is a spur of the moment idea, but we definitely know that we need like 7 rolls of tape to really get this thing cracking.
Yo, it was so slippery.
Yeah,
So slippery.
I know. I seen you. Your first thing you're trying to do is wheelies.
Yeah, it didn't work out.
That's reckless.
I think we need DankWheelie to give it a try.
Yeah, if we can get more tape, I'm game. So the duct tape experiment was kind of a fail. It didn't last as long as we thought, but I only had 1 roll and it was spur of the moment. So let me know what other objects we should wrap around bikes or what other ideas we should have. I think I'm gonna give this test another take if this video does well. And we'll use like 7 rolls this time. So if you enjoyed the video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and like always, keep it dank. Later. What'd you say?
To keep it dank, bitch.
Don't listen to him. He don't know
What you're cooking with.
We can hang it from the tent. I forgot.
You're so good at stunt riding and popping wheelies. Drapery. Oh shit, son. It's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing. I just like to keep it mellow.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep